Good evening, viewers. This is Dudarshan Kendra Shillong. Welcome to today's edition of the news. Before heading to the details, here's a quick look at the headlines. NPP picks Sostenis Sotun as candidate for Jirang MDC election. Meghalaya MDC Teiborlang Pathaw resigns to contest as independent. HYC Soyong Circle files complaint over land compensation scam. Dr. W.R. Karluki inaugurates improved roads in Ribhoi district. And Acting's aim forcibly opens office of Hima Nobusopho. Following the resignation of the NPP sitting MDC from Jirang constituency, the party has finalized its candidate for the upcoming MDC elections. During a meeting at Bernihat today, leaders from the NPP Jirang bloc, including the NPYF and Women's Wing, unanimously decided that sitting MLA Sostenis Sotun will contest the election as the party's candidate. Despite three aspirants, Teiborlang Pathaw, Balawan Simyong and Albertus Lapang applying for the party ticket, their applications were rejected due to time constraints after Victory Rani's resignation.
Lihat sini, harga beda bagi parti kecini harga bana kaliang jong di sitting MDC babu Victor Rani, ia resign no ia kini kam. Namar kata kalau pelong ia kini ngelam tiba kemat tinduan ke jengket kali berangkat pada MLA jongi harga bang yang layak lum ia ke meeting balaisim ia ke jengmut kasur ke jong pai ba leng ba kinong yalam tiba kemat harga bang laken thup ia kini kinong yalam nakaliang jong ke Western Ribhoi bat nakaliang jong ke Eastern Ribhoi di kini ke GS Road bakata karai dan yang jing seru jengmut jeng galong harga jing lengkot jeng kapor nyala sim nya keju besur bakata galong harga ba i MLA badan borom jengi inhab ban sim ya kaneka benta na ka benta kaneka election MDC ba in long pum candidate na ka benta ka Jirang kondisi harga bari bat neka election MDC menta wa rajar atusan.
Meghalaya MDC Teiborlang Pathaw has resigned from his position as executive member today and submitted his resignation letter to the CEM of KHADC, Penyat Singh's aim. Recently, residents of Meghalaya convened a public meeting at Meghalaya Nonglom, where they encouraged him to run as an independent candidate in the upcoming MDC election, urging him to leave NPP. Responding to his supporters' request, Pathaw declared that with respect to the people's decision, he decided to contest the MDC election as an independent candidate. Speaking to reporters, Teiborlang Pathaw confirmed that he has resigned from his role as an executive member of KHADC and as a primary member of the NPP effective immediately.
Developments that on the 4th of, that was on Saturday, there was a meeting in which my supporter and people of Meghalaya was there, in which they have urged me to go as an independent candidate. They told me to leave the party and to fight as an independent candidate for Meghalaya constituency. So today I have come to meet CM to submit my resignation as an executive member and to withdraw my support from the EC. That is what I have done, and then I have sent a letter to the president of the NPP Meghalaya unit also, that I have resigned as the president of Shillong City and media in charge of Meghalaya.
The Hinyao Trap Youths Council, or HYC, Soyong Circle has lodged a formal complaint with the DC's office in East Khasi Hills, accusing Priden Singh Thaba and Rojan Khalat of involvement in a scam related to land compensation for the construction of the two-lane Soyong Western Bypass. HYC President Perning Star Shabong revealed that the duo withdrew large sums of money from the beneficiaries' accounts without their consent and demanded 10% of the total compensation fees, exploiting their lack of education and awareness. The HYC has called for a thorough inquiry into the matter, including the possible involvement of government officials, and has urged authorities to take swift action to ensure justice for the affected individuals.
Kecil ujor jongki nong citai ki tinggi kerang jabar kita ki laong ba kita angut ki breu ki menta kam ki ba la airu keteng sengi lengkap ka bank statement we neki ba keteng ba predancing jat thaba we pat ba dei urojan khlai ini ki angut ki breu ki dawa pisa la ki sim pisa ya ki breu daga ba ki penbit khantam nei ki nong kantong ki badang duna hajing dang cita ka jengtip ki penbit ban ai ka blang check ban pan ki ka blang check da ka ba penbit ki ong ba kin dia ba sumir po office da ka ba sufi ba golong ba ki pa ba anda ka jing bom tip jongki kila kum ngop ka jing penbit jong ba kini ki angut kila ada blang check ba ka ba sufi ba golong ba na kalian kini ki angut kila sei ya ka bisa ka badai ka bisa by compensation jaka habade kita ka selong western bypass.
In a strategic effort to enhance its influence across all 60 constituencies in Meghalaya, the BJP has appointed 60 Mandal presidents. This announcement follows the success of a membership drive that began in October last year, which saw the party enrolling 60,000 new members within just 2 months. State General Secretary Wankitbok Pochna highlighted that this move is designed to strengthen the party's organizational framework. Regarding the upcoming district council election, State Vice President Teiborlang Pathaw mentioned that while the party may not contest all seats, it intends to field candidates in select constituencies.
So this exercise started in the month of September on 2nd, wherein our first primary member was our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Thereafter, all the national leaders, the state leaders, the district leaders renewed the membership, as well as we went throughout the state, in fact throughout the country, to enroll new members. So in this exercise, the party could gather more than 12.8 crores new memberships this time. And in Meghalaya alone, under the leadership of our state convener, Shri A.L. Hekji, we had registered new primary members of more than 60,000.
Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi, Member of Parliament, inaugurated 2 newly upgraded roads in Ribhoi district today. The roads, including a 750-meter stretch from Umyarong to Laubarwa and 585-meter internal road from Laubarwa to Dongmanai, were improved with a sanctioned funding of 1.37 crore by the PWD Roads Umsning Division. The inauguration ceremony was attended by local leaders, officials and the headman of Laubarwa. Dr. Kharlukhi emphasized that the enhanced infrastructure would play a vital role in the region's development and improve connectivity for local communities.
Layo kini surok long kiji kerku I bersang ikat bala ban yetrei na kabenta ban wanra ikroi kapar jong kisnong kitau nar ko surok kade gawe ken mau ba we president jong ka America la gambo Cloud John F Kennedy wong bagri America kre uspa ki bahag surok kre America dei bagri uspa ndrei kre uspa kre America war bo bahag surok joki da bahag surok kemot niyo ban kit ki marrep ki mariang ki jongi bat ki bri uspa dengan trai ko surok kade gawe bat ni snowtenat ban on ke baro ko bong ba ruben mene kicingker ku jong boleh bar ida snautenar swabagan boy mo to kaban tap san posnem to kabalang boleh ni layo ini surok.
The acting SAM of Hima Nobo Sopho, Ferdinand Imyong, along with village sardars and public, forcefully opened the SAM's office in Rangblang village, 20 km from Maukarwat, in the presence of Block Development Officer I. Lauriniang. Imyong stated that the office was opened after the suspended SAM, Kawangbor Imyong, failed to hand over the keys for the transfer of power. He thanked the district administration for its support in sending a magistrate to witness the event and called for unity among the residents for the welfare of the Hima.
Ya kira mbak senang baper teman pria kena office kalau mbak nagidau ba ngaliang jong ka sukasil kala ai yang dijing kha ba be finle pan panno yo shavi ya ki kot kisla pat ki pisa pilan ki badon apo joko office ngaru ngalang ai ya kiti bang bahaka pun ru tarik punai sempat bidai pan wan IT no tamba ya kata syam latre ya kata kalau kata ngahab pan se pan ai ke jing tho sya mistre kana lai bisa ki usi in charge jong ka police department bat kat jong disi ngai nak ta dau bau ke jing sim kia ke jong disi ru la pha ya ibri ba kini do kat ma ke kasi.
The State Council of Science, Technology and Environment of Meghalaya has launched the Science Exposure Trip 2025, designed to enhance scientific curiosity among students and teachers. The initiative will expose participants to leading scientific research and innovation centers across India. The trip, divided into 4 batches, will visit key institutions in Kolkata, Chennai and Bengaluru. Highlights include visits to Science City in Kolkata, IIT and Birla Planetarium in Chennai and Bengaluru Science Centre. The trip aims to empower educators with hands-on learning tools and inspire both students and teachers to develop a deeper appreciation for science and technology. The batches will depart on January 6, 13, 15 and 28 this year. The Hinyotrap Integrated Territorial Organization, or HITO, Umsning Circle, in collaboration with the Umsning Police Station, led a helmet and license checking campaign on the Umsning Bypass Road today. Under the leadership of Attached Officer S. Wadri, the drive revealed many bikes and scooty riders without helmets or licenses. Wadri emphasized the importance of road safety and urged the public to wear helmets while riding for their protection.
Pihak bentip, pihak bersutu bagi national highway hi kamdei kata kamadan lane kata katra kaba piniale kayeres kamar kane kawanra eka kajingja kaba susi langba kane kajing le klamakor kajongki Hoi ta sisa ngi hab bentengkai yala kajing imlajong ada pimpateu ya kajing imlajong ru henrei perkhat lem na kanta kinonglei kinongwan kamtam ki kelung ki khna ki bedai na kilenti ki skin kamtam apo jong national highway apdang snong ki national highway ki bayat lengba ki snong nomor ki khna ki babun ki bayat ki balekai ki bayat ki bayang ki balek don kam halenti skin maybe yola sa kan wanra ka era ka kajingja ka susi lengba da kajingnya klamakor ka jupi henrei ka bu scam apo ka mensim ka jupi kata ba ka national highway hi kamdei kata ka
Lancius Emle, CEO of Ribhoy Superstar, announced today that the grand finale of Season 2 will be held on January 15 at the Umsning Auditorium Hall, starting at 3 p.m. The event will feature 15 contestants competing for the title of Ribhoy Superstar, showcasing their talents in singing and dancing. Special appearances by prominent actors and actresses from the Khasi community, along with other performances, will celebrate the artistic talents of Ribhoy's youth. The competition, organized by LS Emle Production, aims to nurture local creative talent.
Nila penlong ikan ika Ribhoy Superstar nak kementa bangin jit dan ia bangin wat ya kisamla dosap hakarwai hakashat dan ia bat kiwi kibenta di menta nila adab semifinal haki penai adab bat menta pat ngiwan penting sepi bangin sepelong no ya ke grand finale kemanlong hakakasan tarik menta penai Januari hapo auditorium hall Umsning nah kalian jongi ni kwa ban kerpat ipi kipajba bas mubah banwan lem hakatigas ngi ban ailem kajikasan ya kisamla donsap jong kadong kathan jongi namar ba kajingwan kajongpi kan ai musim yaki namar ba ki pardo pasnam jongi lada ki perform ki shat ki wala dam don nung pai lada pi pingwan basaki maki kindo musim te nakalian jongi kumbangi kwa he ban sai ye ta ki reu donsap bakin wan chakman.
Indian Council of Medical Research has reported 2 cases of human metapneumovirus, or HMPV, in Karnataka involving a 3-month-old female and an 8-month-old male infant diagnosed with bronchopneumonia. Both infants treated at Baptist Hospital in Bengaluru are recovering and had no history of international travel. A similar case has been reported in Gujarat with a 2-month-old infant in stable condition. However, the Union Health Ministry is closely monitoring the situation. Karnataka Health Minister noted that such respiratory infections, typically lasting about 5 days, are common and pose no major threat. Dr. Goyal reassured that there is nothing to worry about as the virus's symptoms are as normal as the common cold or flu.
Somebody has cough and cold, he should avoid coming in contact with a lot number of people so that the infection does not spread. And while using hanky or towel for coughing and sneezing, and take the normal medicines that are required for cold or fever whenever it's there. Otherwise, nothing to be alarmed about the present situation.
Influenza-like illness, that is respiratory illnesses. In that, 1% of the illnesses normally are due to this HMPV virus. So it's a very normal thing, and it is not there's no fatalities in this, and people get it, and they are affected for a few days, and it passes on.
Delhi Police has ramped up its efforts to tackle the issue of illegal foreign nationals by implementing a two-pronged strategy that combines on-ground verification with data analysis. As part of this initiative, 9 Bangladeshi nationals have been sent for deportation within the first 5 days of 2025. These individuals were found to be overstaying in India without valid documentation. In 2024, the district successfully deported several other foreign nationals, including individuals from Bangladesh and Iran.
हमने 9 फॉरेन नेशनल्स को आइडेंटिफाई किया है जो इंडिया में इलीगली रह रहे थे। वो 9 के 9 जो हैं बांग्लादेशी नेशनल हैं और उनको हमने डिपोर्टेशन के लिए एफआरआरओ के पास भेज दिया है। हमने सेंट्रल डिस्ट्रिक्ट में इलीगली स्टेइंग फॉरेन नेशनल्स के अगेंस्ट में अपना ड्राइव को इंटेंसिफाई कर रखा है। जो लोग इलीगली इंडिया में एंटर कर रहे हैं या इलीगली रह रहे हैं उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करना भी हमारा काम है और उसके लिए हम संकल्पित हैं।
And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature recorded today is 14 degrees Celsius, while maximum temperature recorded is 27 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 50%. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature recorded is 8.2 degrees Celsius, while 18.2 degrees Celsius of maximum temperature was recorded. The relative humidity is 65%. While in Juwai, minimum temperature of 9 degrees Celsius was recorded today and maximum temperature 20 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 53%, and the forecasts in Tura, Shillong and Juwai say that dry weather is likely to occur at most places. Before winding up this news bulletin, let's have a quick glimpse of the headlines once again. NPP picks Sostenis Sotun as candidate for Jirang MDC election. Meghalaya MDC Teiborlang Pathaw resigns to contest as independent. HYC Soyong Circle files complaint over land compensation scam. Dr. W.R. Kharluki inaugurates improved roads in Ribhoi district. And acting's aim forcibly opens office of Hima Nobo Sopha. And dear viewers, that's all we have for you today in this news bulletin. Until we meet again next time, thank you for watching. Good night.